KR Enterprises. Kebai ke one-stop solution dapat bagi furniture sets haki yang berinternet ke jongpi berpilak dan pre-book yang customized sofa sets, dining table, Godrej, lor kiwe kat kum ke budget ber ke design ke baki kuat. KR ke end-to-end construction solutions naduk architect and planning adu ki kam interior yang kemai jongpi. Wani kujat haki dukan jong ke KR Enterprises ayau tumi jowai lani hai surat shalong dapat bagi jingtip bakabnya.
Kublai api ngada lawan pesai rani nak forefront media bab mentang adan hakani Spice Festival ha Mumbai ke bala pelong dak tenat jong karep karyang bat ke Farmers Welfare Sarkar Meghalaya hangni ngidan ki phongut kinong rep nak jela ki belawan peninam ki marep jongki ali ngan ni api dan ayu kani ke jaka. Adan hang ni mentah ka Spice Festival ha Mumbai bang adan hang ni bi kong Letizia lingdo mo phlang te kong kumnu batai khandiat saphang gani ka kini jingde jongpi
Kublai Shibun kerteng jonga di kong Letizia lingdo mo phlang pasong sa hamonga tegi produk ki bangawan ra ki jingdeng share berupa ma te bana tengah ai Kublai Shibun ma baling ba kumi woman entrepreneur ma ngayo banwan hakanika ban pini kini ki produk jonga hakanika Spice Festival ma te khanang bangan pini ya ke ba ki kam bat ki jing tray ki banga tray ma khanang bangan pini ya ka perthai ken ba nga kum ki ken thai ru ngayo long bangan kiu sakmat ma hakanika kam jonga ken ba ki baro kin ithu kan yanga
kum kinu ki jaj jingsna ba phile
kini ki kinjuri ki kiping te ki soskor ki sati
kemut kita ru pisna he gini
Hoi. Baru ki jingdeng kentai kan. Kita ba kat ba ki kwa.
Dekat no por ka sim pin sna iwe.
Kani ta ka syong kat kum ka design. Kita ki design ki ba bampor arsngi live teng stayau si banai ru kidan jaj.
Kum kini ki jaj festival. Kum no ki yarab kum yapi kum ki entrepreneurship.
Te ngaru nga ai Kublai mon maling ba nang ni kibriu gila yu I yanga yi ting tray jonga namar ngi nga sna bet pure silver long ka perte nak kiwe ki jewelas ma magila don hangnir ki balawan ya kendo ingai basnak siari na sini Rajasthan te gila pe yi jing tray jonga ki ong internet ki long unique te gilong pure silver takda tanga so sarong ma ba kum yuwe ne ki kan thai ba mi ma basnak siar tang so sarong kay banga ngalaban tray kanek kam kan
te kumnu kayo mentara lais ni
kayo kabiang ba
ki pajba ki react kumnu kini
ki react hoi ki ong ba ki rem tang balong ki internet pat kilong unique design te namar kidan ki design tu ki banga ai hi kan bang wara sini
bu de pila ban ai message day ki khana samla jong ka jala la ne borok kawai ke ka ba pila ban ai ki ba song tanat kum kani ka jing tray jong
dia ka we ka bang ai mensim ma ya barok ki para kantei para khana samla ma gitu ba kimde kin ban le ran menteri kuno kam pe kum ngaru ngasnak siar kani ka kam senrang denga pangasim ka senjam ma ba kum iwe ni kantei ba mi sakmat long ngaru ngala kan ban tray kum tray ki senrang kan ta
le shibuan kang ya fa jang
Ngerti zonga gede energisya sila gede snong na tersyang ya gini ngawan raang ni ako Mumbai bayawan yenam daga NR LS di gini ki potri ngisna daga grup men bagi don kung mangi ki bedang sna ya gini ki kiu tenra gini festival ki rat ini bang yo ban pemi coba yang ki office mo ki han ini ban yo ban lek sini ban yo pemi ki gini ki mar soni kamu ini ban hang ki yo imo badan kum gini ki zat ko metalia iya kan kam sedang na to kini di na to gini ki ani gede ki ba her pateng nei nga na do imei her nga ibas ngoten nan ban train ni na ban ai de training bakin pan snong jongi ai training abawan gibru untuk giwan jungo harus nong jongi ki ro ha bagi ong gede gini dia mau ko ba Kadai gisnong hantam garong gadis na tersiang kapau bah gani gadaya belak pelipotri.
Kateng yung ade banda boklang martong ade kum district program manager jong kami Magnolia East Khasi Hills. Kumalong kini produk jongi kini ki ade kolektif organik Meghalaya kolektif organik kini produk jongi ngisim na ki FPO ba pero jodan Meghalaya. Kini ki FPO organik ba certify ki kumbalong PE kini don mentau senrai useing mentau samarit berada ban finish products kini ngi kolek ki raw material naki nongrep nontangi sa proses ki pada bar ni sapak bisa di kumbalong baka marketing bersekatang long challenges ka marketing tenadu bakawan kami Magnolia mud kami Magnolia kailam nanti kinorep kundi sudah selai kayu kahat ba maka kalong kum ka marketing banlek marketing iki produk jongki kisim ki raw material naki FPO ba nanu na Garo Hills hadu Jante Hills bat kunjur Khasi Hills hadu Riboy nanta pada king sale ka processing bat ngisa di haka ni ka Meghalaya organic Meghalaya kolektif organic platform kumbalong mentang kumbalong menin ke program ke sedang sibun interaction ila yo naki bat feedback naki nong one kit bat kumbalong hi ka kayo ka hadu ka kalong potensial wan ta kini ki mar jongi na Meghalaya kini ki mar jongi nang tin na Meghalaya ki kamlong unik ban compare bat kini ki mar bami na ki jela nadu kumusing nanta nadu lakadong maplatip di DJI Tag products but ba specialty jong ba barok jete ba long di high value nanta ka medicinal purpose katai ka ba demand hanaki nongon kit ni don through ka kumbalong manta ngin sakit ke platform through kini di social platform ru bangin kum ka Amazon ka niki Amazon nanta kini di Reliance Fresh itu ni sat ban link bat ki ban supply kumbalong kini produk jongi mentang la sedang ban supply keleng kumbalong usun yamtra usok trun ni markini ki hapa po ka jingpet jongka Director of Food jongka Director of Agriculture Horticulture kumbalong mentara du bami ka Magnolia men arsne menta ka Magnolia ka simti ban handle kini barok nanta ka marketing jong kinorep
ya kane ka kam te la sedang hi nadu snem ar hajar khat phra ka khandai gumta te ya kar kom rep te ngila rep nadu barem hi namar yang ngila kha ha ka kam rep nadu ka jinglong khna hi la yo jingi kai nadu ki me ki patemen chongi tiau ne usnrai ru ngila bat hi nadu kitu ki por bade u jingthong u bakang san chongi te menta te ngila sedang penhe hakane ka stol chongi ngi bu tang usnrai bade usnrai organic hakane ka festival chongi ke balong menta te ngidi compare na ki we par ki stol ki badon sete namar hangne ngidi tang organic dadi ngipet long kaju hi usnrai hi tang baka per sete ki long amdala ban certified bade organic tabengi hangne par ka dor ka kham kiu khndiat namar bade u sunrai organic bala de certified na bade organic kaching mentoi ka baning kong bang isnyo sorong ba kiwi ki itu yangi bangi de kinong rep sunrai organic kum kiwi kum bangi la yo hapo ka state chungi yo ne sunrai la kadang uba uble ulai kerpang haka state chungi haka district chungi haka block chungi te ngisyo sorong ba ka baning kong bangi yo pen inam hak hamat ke partai barok ka we bangi de kinong rep la kadang ba ke partai barok kan itu ba une ula kadang umi na ka jaj benriu chungi yakini ki mar ngila penjaj buan bhahi kumba ki bayas ru ki wan hina hapo snong po thau chungi ki wan thit ki wan pan ki wan order te kum tahi ngile chik exhibition shpo Delhi shpo Hyderabad shpo Shillong shpo Mumbai kino ki chaka badon ki exhibition ka bagi khot yangi ngile hi hapo ka society chungi ngila rep kumba khatsan ekar ye ngum to tingila don hika kper la jong ngila la proses hi tingila don umar la jong ngim don kam shu ban daki we ki bathiet bat ki ba ayun nangiro ngim don kam shu ban ting lamar ngila don umar la jong hakti tagi kumba khatsan ar pheuton utu to la mi be hi na ka kper jongi
Many of our products, they are packaged.
A strong taste. Bay leaf and cardamom are cultivated across multiple districts.
Believe me, you come and interact with our entrepreneurs, our farmers.
Festivals and events across the country, especially in agriculture, primarily focused.
I am into travel trade, so we have got invitation from the Tourism Board Meghalaya and to just come and explore our spices, and your Honorable Chief Minister is also going to come here. So we have thought, just why not to go and take a chill out, what all things you are offering. So I am very happy to see that so many spices, and I have never known the varieties of ginger and garlic and the pepper, different type of peppers I am getting to see, and I've got to see, and I have bought many, and amazing, very nice. It is, you know what, that in our country we have come to know that many things are familiar to us which we will not know about that. We were not aware about that. So that is how I found, and this is very well organized, and many people have got chance to buy a local cuisine from Meghalaya.
How long have you been here in this festival?
I've just spent the last 1 hour here.
So how's your experience so far?
I really like the energy and the vibes. I think the government has done a very well job, both the Meghalaya government and the Maharashtra government, of putting this up. And I'm getting to see all the different varieties of spices and the local made stuff, the bee honey, the turmeric and the ginger. Loving it.
Which stall caught your eyes the most?
I don't remember the name now, but then I think I found many of them very, very good. I have a big bag which I have, I'm carrying all the stuff which I purchased from here. So when you get something which is beyond reach, so Meghalaya for us in Mumbai is like beyond reach, right? Not in every day we would buy stuff from Meghalaya. When we get stuff from these different states, different places, I think it brings more excitement in us to come and visit.
My name is Jean-Christophe Goutal. I'm from France. In this festival we arrived today, and we just chanced upon the festival. We didn't know it was happening, but we're happy to be here.
How's your impression of this festival?
Well, I really like it. I think there are lots of good products. For me, it's kind of a novelty. Like, it's new for me because I don't know all the spices that come from the Meghalaya region. I didn't even know the Meghalaya region this morning, so it's really amazing to be here. Which stall?
Yes.
I really liked, I don't know which one it is. I think it's the one with women doing, women, I think it's only women.
Yes, yes.
And that stood out the most for me. I really liked it. She didn't have like the spices that I wanted, but it was nice.
So have you bought anything yet?
Not yet, but I want to buy black pepper, and maybe I found Indian Szechuan pepper, and I thought it smelled really good, so maybe this.
So if you would rate this festival 1 out of 10, how much will you rate it?
I would go with 10. I really liked it. It's really amazing. We arrived with the music and stuff. It's really cool.
We were here along with our 40 students. So we spent a whole day here understanding, what the Meghalaya Spice Festival has to offer. So my students had a great time learning about it, and also they had great time having fun. They had food. They could see those cultural programs. So I think it was a great day well spent. I bought many things. I bought spices, soaps, pickles, honey, everything which is with the simple reason that it is authentic. We get all this stuff everywhere. Living in Mumbai, you are not deprived of anything. But it's just that when you get this opportunity to buy authentic spices, organic products coming from villages, and most importantly, it is very satisfactory when you are buying it from traders coming from there, and the people who are actually producing them, they are getting the benefit out of it. I loved the pickle stall and the all the spices. I think they all are equally good. I cannot pinpoint on one or two stalls. I think all the stalls have something to offer. Yeah.
If you would rate this festival 1 out of 10, how much would you rate?
9. Sure. And definitely I have this soft corner for Northeast India. We love Northeast part of our country because for various reasons. People love the greenery. I love their fashion sense. I love the way they are, the civic sense. The rest of the country definitely have to learn from them how they behave publicly. They are so well mannered. The food is awesome. The dressing sense, the fashion sense, the art and culture, the music. Everything is so 10 on 10.
Kajing dan jokum kini ki program Klaim Sim Sibun yaki nong rap jong kajala. Nikmi lenti bakani kan plila cucu yaki banyarap yakakam. Ngadai ulawan persairani na benta ka Forefront Media Kublai Sibun.